Importing audio clips. I'm just going to come down in my project panel and I'm going to double click in an open area. Then I'm going to go up to my audio folder and I'm going to find my audio clip. Here's an MP3 file and I'm going to just say open. And I've created that, and typically I like to create a new bin and I call this audio usually, right? I do clips, I do images, and I'm just going to move that into the audio there. All right, there we go. So it's underneath the audio. And so that's just like we're importing a clip, a video clip. It works the same way.